In this video, we will do a complete walkthrough of the AWS Bedrock console. You will see how to access Bedrock, explore foundation model, and understand key features, all the directly inside the AWS console. First, log in into AWS Management Console using your AWS account. Make sure you are using an account with the required permission for the Amazon Bedrock. Next, select the region from top here. You can see I have selected the US East one because most of the mod Bedrock model is available on this region. So I have selected this one. This is a very important step. In AWS search bar, type the Bedrock. So we can search for the Bedrock here. So you can see this here, Amazon Bedrock. So we can click on this Amazon Bedrock for the result. This is the AWS Bedrock dashboard from where you can access the foundation model, playground, customization option, guardrails, and settings. So here you can see the model catalog tab. So once you select the model, so here you can see the list of the providers name. Yeah, these are the providers which provide the model, which are all the model available in this Amazon Bedrock. So you can click on the any of the provider which you want to use. So I would like to choose Anthropic. In Anthropic, you can see this all this model are available here. So you can based on your use case, you can select any of the model which you want to like. For the text generation, we can select the Amazon Titan or Anthropic Cloud, and for the uh, image generation, we can check for the other models like A2 even to one lab. There's some uh, sorry, I think there we can see. So these all the model in this cell we can see for the text generation also. Sorry, text generation as well as image generations. So any of the multi-model model you can select for the your use case. Then we have here playgrounds, text playgrounds, and your image and video playgrounds. You can select here any of the model, and the you can play with this playground. Check out. This is very. Uh, this is where you can experiment with the prompts without writing any code. So this is very important part one. Then we have model customization part. So here you can select the custom model based on the your trainings. So here we have a reinforcement fine tuning, where we can add the data and do the model fine tuning. Where we have supervised fine tuning as well. Base station for the smaller model fine tuning. So you can select any if you want to customization, do the customization and fine tuning and prompt engineering. So you can do here agents. So you can create the agents. I hope you are aware about agents. So agents are the external tools which connect with your program with the external tools. So you can create the agent here as well. Flow is also a very important thing in Bedrock, where you don't need much of the coding knowledge, but this is very I can say drag and drop kind of things. Is so we can later on we can explore more about flows and agents. Knowledge base, it is the for the if you want to build a retrieval agent, so a retrieval based services, then you can use knowledge base. So here we have a vector store, structured data store, and Kendara generative AI index. So here we can directly add the data like using any of the services. So we can explore later in this session how we can create the knowledge base and how we can use it through the retrieval services. Then we have a Guardrails. Guardrails help you to apply safety and compliance and uh, content controls. So you can restrict harmful content, sensitive data, and define safe AI behavior. So this is also a critical feature for the enterprise use. So you can create the guardrail layer. So there are different type of masking you can do, like PI masking and different kind of there are, you can also define their own rules here. So we can explore this also in later in the session. So yeah, so we have a prompt management here. You can manage your prompt version wise. So this is also one of the very useful. And for the evaluation, your model evaluation and prompt evaluation, you can yeah, we have a model evaluation and RAG evaluation. For the model evaluation, it is one is the automatic where the LLM has just you can use it, and then it will also provide the human based evaluation, so you can use it custom as per the your requirement. And this is what we have. You can get one of the evaluation. So this is a quick wrap up on Bedrock walkthrough, folks. I hope you find it super helpful. Catch you in the next video. Thank you so much and bye for now.